I see you before you arrive, before the room adjusts. The way you hold yourself, like you're careful with gravity. That mark on your cheek, just under the eye. The beauty spot on your right arm, exactly where it landed, like it chose you. You never notice me noticing, that's the deal. If I was braver, I'd say hello, step into your afternoon, let it go wrong. If I was braver, I'd break the quiet, but I stay right here and learn you. Heel to toe when you're bored, the pause before you smile. I know when you're about to leave.